kill them.
I used to.
You used to
I
search.
probably only watched like 3 seasons.
You have lost your life in solitude. Like I tried, I got a bit of high school now, it's 14 now. It's like, oh, no, 15? 14 or 15?
Okay.
And it's like, nah. I don't feel the need to go beating it. It's just like every time
if someone else on my friends list has 300 beating class.
I don't even bother.
No. I don't know how many times I got so close.
Like I do it every time really, really lost. And then it's like, this game is ignoring me. Okay, I'm smart. I won't, like if I start gambling, I won't be a problem gambler because I'm like, oh my god, I'm down. Okay, time to leave. Or
time to double up. Like to keep my money back.
Or, oh hey, I'm up. Okay, time to leave. A straight flush on spot.
I gave a straight flush on GTA.
I gave him a flop. I haven't seen a straight flush or a royal flush like ever. Well, I saw someone on the table next to me say straight flush, well done on GTA. And I was like, okay. Cool. Like on YouTube?
No, yeah, that's fine.
Oh no, I barely qualify. I qualify what, like 1 out of 7? And so like, no, I'd be like telling the friends, oh I don't qualify most of the time, so you still win. And then like every now and then, I do qualify with a pair of eyes or eight. And they'll be like, oh they lose. And so like the next time, like I'm not gonna qualify. And then they fold the other time, well you don't trust me. It's like, yeah, I trust the peers of you. Like, really? And then I open it like the other like, oh I see, I told you, you should just ask.
They're giving him advice.
Well, I don't know what my cards are. It's like, seriously, I don't qualify most of the time. And then on UTA, like, I go to UTA, it's like Gila has. I thought, like a few days ago, it's like Gila has for sixes, and instead of paying everyone out, because they had been a thing for me, I got to like the third person, and I was like about to pay it out, and the third person was laughing. The second person was like, Gila's a flush. Like, fuck it.
Literally taking them on the money because they lost. And then this was like, oh, you're straight. And the other guy's there, he talks to me all the time, but he keeps quiet when this shit happens. He's like, oh.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, there's a flush. And so like the supervisor was like, oh, that's true. And so it's like, I'm sorry everyone. Like, she was like telling the person, you should have mentioned it after she gathered all the cards. Like that way I would have just been like, oh well, the cards already been set now, I can't do anything about it, there's just not security that notice, like the relative notice, but you mentioned it, why did you mention it? And so she was like, I'm sorry, but you're going to put all your bets and winnings back, so I just take them all, and I'm just like, sorry, my poker's terrible. And then like every time I get pocket aces, there's always an ace. I've got pocket aces 3 times now, and each and every time there's been an ace in the community card. It's like yellow has. And it's like yellow has. It's like I see an ace. It's like and then it's like this. Yellow has 6 aces. And I was just like it was that same day. Like it was like yellow has a straight. The supervisor comes in. He's like, you're not making it friends, are you? It's like nope. And then like one time there was like these 3 hearts in the community card, and the guy's like 1 card, and I'm like flipping over the card. It's like, oh shit. He's like the other card. It's like I flip it over. It's like there's another card. It's like,